Всем привет! Добро пожаловать на мой канал. Меня зовут Анастасия. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anastasia and welcome back to the Russian lessons for beginners. I received some requests to continue this series, and in these videos I'm going to speak English as well because here we are complete beginners. In this lesson, we are going to speak about the months of the year and how to use them in a sentence. It's very important because the stress changes within the word. So let's start with the months in nominative case, just the names of the months. Январь, февраль, март, апрель, май, июнь, июль, август, сентябрь, октябрь, ноябрь, декабрь. So all of the months are masculine. If you already know about the genders in Russian, some of them have a soft sign at the end, some of them have и краткое like май. And what's interesting about them, that when we say in May, in April, the stress of some of them change. And the stress of the other half is not changing. I will tell you the nominative and the prepositional case. Prepositional means in the month. For example, in February we do this, it would be prepositional case. So now I will tell them in pairs. Январь в январе. So as you can see, we add ye, we change the soft sign into ye, and the stress is changing here. One more time. Январь в январе, февраль в феврале, март в марте, no change, апрель в апреле, май в мае, июнь в июне, июль в июле, август в августе, сентябрь в сентябре, again changes, октябрь в октябре, ноябрь в ноябре, декабрь в декабре. So how can you remember where the stress is taking the end, like yeah is stressed and when it's not? The months of autumn, сентябрь, октябрь, ноябрь, and also the months of the winter, декабрь, январь, февраль, so 6 of them, the half, they change the stress. So the stress becomes at the very end when we add this year of the prepositional case. And the other 6, they don't change. So like апрель в апреле, no change. Май в мае, no change. I hope it was useful. Please make a sentence and write it in the comment. Write simple sentence, something like мой день рождения, my birthday is end the month в феврале. Например, for example, мой день рождения в феврале. Спасибо за внимание. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Пока-пока.